Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva templates for rapid social media workflow creation, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Canva templates for rapid social media workflow creation, first, log in to your Canva account. On the Canva homepage, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the specific type of design you want to create, such as Instagram post or Facebook banner. Press the Enter key to see the available template options. Browse through the templates displayed on the screen. Select a template that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the editing interface. On the left side, you'll see editing tools and options to customize your template. To change text, simply click on the text box you want to edit. Type in your desired content and adjust the font style and size if necessary. Next, customize colors by using the Color Palette tool in the top menu. You can apply your brand colors for consistency across your social media platforms. Now, let's add images or graphics. Click on the Elements tab on the left side. Search for specific icons or graphics relevant to your post. Drag and drop the selected elements onto your design. If you want to upload your own images, click on the Uploads tab. Select the images you wish to use and drag them onto the template. Once your design looks finalized, go to the top right corner. Click the Share button, and then select Download. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button to save the finalized design to your device. For future use, you can create a folder in Canva to save your templates. To do this, go back to the homepage and create a new folder called Social Media Templates. Move your completed designs into this folder for easy access. When you want to repurpose a template, simply open the folder and select the design. Click on Use as a template to start editing again. This method streamlines your workflow, allowing for rapid creation of social media content. Repeat this process to create a library of customizable templates for various platforms. With these steps, you can enhance your social media strategy through efficient design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.